Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily disable or on the contrary, enable the iTunes Store application on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, also be sure to put your likes, and do not forget to write comments after watching this video. So let's get into this topic. And if you want to remove the iTunes app from your work screen on your iPhone, if you don't use it or if it's bothering you, then to do that, you go into the phone settings on your iPhone and then select the screen time option. Then scroll down a little bit and select the option called Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then go to Permissions and Features. And here you can easily find iTunes. And in order to remove it or to disable it from your iPhone, you will just have to click on the button opposite to it. If you have your phone passwords, enter it. Next, you can go back to the desktop screen of your iPhone and wait just a few seconds. And as you can see, the iTunes app has been removed, but it immediately disappeared from your iPhone's work screen. And you can't find it anywhere, even if you search with the word iTunes. You can't find it. Because this application, you can say, it's blocked or disabled on your iPhone. If you want to turn it on, then you'll also have to go to your phone settings, screen time, and then when you find the iTunes Store app, click on the button opposite it to activate the app. And in the same way, you can go to your work screen, wait just a few seconds, and before your eyes this application will appear. Friends, this is the simple way you can very easily either disable or enable iTunes Store app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please, friends, be sure to put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.